You can't tell it's Seta. I fixed vegan hot dogs' biggest shortcomings. Here is how. I prepared the wet ingredients the night before. I add everything into a small saucepan. This is frozen basil from last year's harvest. Fresh is best, of course. I stir it in, bring it to a boil, let it cool, then put it in the fridge overnight. In the bowl, 1.5 cups white or wheat gluten plus 2 tablespoons flour. With a hand mixer, I puree 16 ounces of drained silken tofu. This is the wet base I prepared last night. I take out all the basil leaves. Then I add more apple cider vinegar and soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of each. I pour it into the silken tofu and mix until it all comes together. Now I add this mixture into the white or wheat gluten. Mix until it combines. Then knead for about a minute. Look how soft it is. It's like a paste. That's exactly how it should be. And then I let the dough rest for about 30 minutes. This is my piping bag. I cut 1 inch off the corner, about 2.5 centimeters. I fill the bag with half the mixture. I put a little water on the board and on the parchment paper too, so it's easier to pipe and roll the hot dogs. It's very easy to pipe with this soft dough, and it's not sticky, so I can easily adjust the shape. Then I tightly roll it up in the parchment paper and wrap it in aluminum foil. The steamer is ready. Let's steam the hot dogs. One more here. I cover it and steam it for 1 hour and 15 minutes. The hot dogs are ready. They look and smell great. Let's taste. It's so good. You have to try this. Now this is the real thing. You won't believe it, Satan. Bye for now. See you next time.